How to fix Ticketmaster error U521 Something went wrong. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first method is flush DNS and reset network. For this, click on search, type CMD, select run as administrator, go to the video description to find some commands to reset network and flush DNS. In the video description, you will find these commands. You have to run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands and after running the command, close the command prompt, then restart your computer. Then check if the error no longer occurs. The next method is clear browsing data. If you are using Google Chrome, then go to the browser, click on three dots, click on delete browsing data. Over here, click on more and select all time. Make sure that all the boxes are checked here and click on delete data. After deleting the data, close the browser window and then relaunch the browser and then try to run Ticketmaster. If the issue still persists, disable pop-up blocker in the browser, which may interfere with the payment or other tasks. Go to the Ticketmaster website, click on this symbol, click on site settings, look for pop-up and redirects, click on this drop-down, block default and select allow. After selecting allow here, reload the website. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.